if you're always crying for traffic and you want people to start visiting your website every single day, don't worry yourself, say no more. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you this simple Android application that can actually help you get more traffic to your website, give you more impression on your Adsterra, on your Monetag, and a lot more. For instance, this is my own website right here. As you can see right here on this particular application, you can see we have some notifications. These are notifications right here, and I can actually go ahead and click on it. So if I click on it, this is going to simply take me to this application, all right? And this application right here is monetized with Google AdMob. And this particular application is the reason why we get recurrent traffic like every single day on our website. Okay, once we hit publish, the same blog content that is being published on our website will automatically pop up on this same application. All right, these contents are the same content you can see on this particular website. Okay, so this is the latest one right here. The latest content on this very page is the Adsterra social bar update. As you can show right here, this is also the Adsterra social bar update on this very header. So if I click on it right now, this is automatically going to take me to my website. Okay, I can actually use this particular application to get the whole information I need about the same website. You can show right here. So if people can actually install your application like this for your website, then automatically you've gotten audience for yourself, like recurrent audience for your website. Okay, and this is one of the best way to actually get more traffic to your website. So in this same video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get this done for yourself and get more recurrent traffic to your own website. Okay, another interesting thing about this type of application right now, which is a blog app, is that once you hit publish, all the people that have already installed your application will see the notification automatically on this very header right here. Okay, you can see why this particular one right here is coming from Pirate Vibes. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. All right, so first thing first, get your website fully developed. The next thing you have to do is simply log into your website you've already gotten. Okay, so if my team have already developed your website and also delivered to you, you can use the same strategy to set this up for yourself. Okay, go ahead and install this particular plugin right here. Go to the plugin section, search for bar. So you can show here we have sticky bar, floating notification, and a lot more. Okay, so click on this update if you already have it, but if you don't have it, make sure you install this plugin on your website. Okay, so once it has been installed, simply go over to your browser section right here, like your browser, your Google, or any platform of your choice. Then search for app my site. All right, click on it. So click on this start for free. On this very section, you can create your account with your Google account, or you add your email address right here and click on the continue button. Click on this section that says create app. Okay, you can create web to app. Okay, so you have to simply add your website name or your blog name. All right, so I'm going to simply click on this more button, then go to anything related to red. Okay, so I like that. Then click on OK or done button. All right, then once you're on that, click on the next button from here. Okay, so from this registration you can add your app icon, or you select anyone from this registration. Okay, click on this start designing. So let's say I want to go with this one right here. So this one right here is just a basic way of doing it, so you can actually get a recurrent traffic for yourself. But make sure you watch this video down to the very end, because I have a lot to tell you right here in this very video. Okay, so click on this save button. I just want to use this one right here. Okay, click on next button. Then your splash screen, you can actually design it. Okay, so from this very section right here, you can see where we have the home page. So the home section right here, which is the home screen, you have to simply go ahead and design it. Just click on this home section right, you add your website URL right here. Okay, so for the about section, you have to simply go to your website section right here, and you have to simply add about section. Okay, so let's go back to my website and we scroll down from here. Then you're going to see right here we have about us. Then copy the link, then come to this section and paste it right here. Okay, then go to the blog section from here, come back here. You can see we have the blog right here. Copy the link, come here, and you paste it right here. Okay, as the blog. Okay, then go to the shop section if you have a shop on your website. Okay, for the video section, you can add video from here. You can add your video right here from YouTube, then copy the video, come back here and add it right here. Okay, so we have everything ready. The next thing we have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on the next button. Okay, so you're almost there. This is what they say right here. The color, everything has been set. The app icon is set already. Okay, so we can actually go ahead and try this app out from this very section. Click on the start button. Let's load it and see how it's going to simply look like, okay, before we export it. All right, okay, then allow. You can see right here. So if you go to the about section, you can see right here, it's going to simply load. And go to the dashboard section here. Let me tell you the limitation of this particular type of app, right? Tell you to start paying money, right, for upgrade and every other thing, okay? And they're going to simply display their own ad on your application, okay, which is not really professional. But if you want a professional app like the one you've already seen right here on my own application on my own desktop, which my team are going to simply build using Android Studio and a lot of that, okay, they're going to simply build everything professionally, and they can actually add AdMob ad. You can actually let me know, then my team are going to simply handle that for you, okay? If you want a minimal free stuff that you can actually use to get more traffic, to get recurring traffic. But so right now, let's go ahead and check out the application. So to download this application, click on this download button right here. Okay, so for this app, we don't need camera, we don't need location, we don't need background of photo, all this stuff, we don't need them, okay? Just go ahead and click on the build app. Okay, you can show right here, this is the application right here. You can see right here the app is opening. I've already installed it. But one thing about this particular application, since we are on the free version, they're going to simply display built by app myself, blah blah blah. Okay, so this stuff right here is not really professional, so this is going to simply help you to start getting traffic right now. Once you publish a post, this is going to simply go straight to your users, okay? But it is very much more advanced when you build this app with Android Studio and Flutter, okay? So just like my team have already built, so this application can be published on Play Store, on APK Pure, on Palm Store, and lots more, okay? So remember, the more you publish content, the more people open your application, okay? Once you have your app download link, so all you need to do is simply come over to this very section right here, okay? Then you have to simply click on this, copy this, okay? Then go back to your website, copy the download button of your application, go back to the website. Remember, we installed this plugin. Go to the plugin section from this very section right here. Go to my sticky bar. So we're going to simply select the top right here. And once you select that, you can actually upload the background if you like. But if you don't want that, just scroll down a little bit to this very section that says, okay, you can show right here. Once you add that, this is out already. All you need to do is simply go ahead and add the button test. Scroll up a little bit. We're going to customize this. So once you add that, then come over to this section right here, then select this section that says domain, then add your download link here too, okay? Then you click on save and view dashboard. All right, then when you go to our website right now, you're going to be seeing this particular stuff right here, okay? So let's go back to this very section right here. Let's refresh this page. So you can show right here, download our application right here, okay? So if you click on this button here, this is automatically going to simply take you to where we have to download the application. You can see right here, you can download the application from here, okay? So this is basically how you can actually get more traffic. The more posts you publish on your website, the more people see and open your application. And if this app is monetized with AdMob, you stand a chance of actually building a business around 2 different platforms at the same time, okay? So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. If you want my team to build your website, monetize it, and also build your application, just write me on the WhatsApp, then my team are going to simply handle it. So this is basically how you can actually get this done for yourself, okay? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.